In this video, I will give the information about the permittivity. Force depend on the product of the charges and inversely proportional to the square of the distance, and K is a Coulomb constant which depend upon the medium. There are two charges in the medium. Between the two, there are so many characteristics like certain temperature, certain density, certain pressure. There are so many physical quantities are characteristic attached to the medium. Here we depend on a particular characteristic of the medium, that when a charge is trying to apply force on it, then this medium, whether it allow it or it will not allow it, that characteristic of the medium is known as the permittivity of the medium. Now, when this charge Q1 applying force on the charge Q2, I give you example that charge Q1 sending force like 100 threads to catch it. When these 100 threads are going to catch it with 100 hands, they are going to catch it. This medium absorb many of the 60 absorb. Now, how many reach here? The answer is 40. So 40 reach here. So the force it was apply 100 threads, and how much it is apply actually? 40. What happens to the 60? 60 it is allow itself the material medium. Medium is permitted itself to absorb, so it is given permission to itself to absorb the 60. This is left only 40. So permittivity is the characteristic of the medium due to which it absorbs certain effect of this charge Q1. That effect is for applying force. So whatever it absorbs is known as the permittivity. Now if this permittivity is more increased to 80, then this force will decrease to 20. That means more is the permittivity, less will be the force. So for an object, if more is the permittivity, less is the force. Permittivity is an electrical characteristic of the medium due to which it absorbs effect of charge due to which force is applied on the other charge. The effect that is absorbed is permittivity. It is denoted by epsilon. Epsilon is a Greek letter. This is epsilon of any medium. It may be air, water, it may be any insulator. It is expressed in number and unit. K is equal to 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon. This is the relation between K and epsilon. So force is equal to 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon Q1 Q2 divided by R square. This is our standard format of Coulomb's law. Permittivity we can also define is the property of material medium to oppose the Coulomb force between the charges. Permittivity is the property of a medium which reduces the magnitude of force between 2 point charges. If the medium between the two charges is air or vacuum, then Coulomb's law can be written as F is equal to K Q1 Q2 divided by R square, which is equal to 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 divided by R square. So K is equal to 1 over 4 pi epsilon naught, where epsilon naught is the permittivity of the free space or air. Epsilon naught is equal to 8.85 multiplied 10 power minus 12 Coulomb square per Newton per meter square. And the value of K is equal to 9 multiplied 10 power 9 Newton meter square per Coulomb square.